In this video, we will use the S-piece as an example to demonstrate the complete workflow of machining a workpiece using Xmachine Desktop 5-axis machining center. After powering on, confirm that the panel lights and breathing light status are normal. Rotate the emergency stop clockwise to release it. Press the reset button. Turn the rotary knob to the ZRN mode to perform machine homing. You can use a probe or a tool to complete workpiece measurement. We will now demonstrate using a wireless probe for workpiece measurement. Click System and enter Probe Pairing Interface. Follow the on-screen steps to pair the probe. Remove the probe battery, wait for 5 seconds, and reinsert it. Wait for the green light to flash. While the green light is flashing, quickly flick the probe stylus to put the probe into pairing mode. Once pairing is successful, the interface will display a success message. Return to the previous page and enter monitoring data. Click on the probe icon. You should see the probe is now successfully connected. Flick the stylus to observe if the probe signal triggers normally and check the battery level. Enter the tool interface. Click Spindle Clamp and then remove the current tool from the spindle. Install the probe and click Probe Clamp. Enter the machine interface. Click Probe Calibration. The probe will begin automatic calibration. Ensure the calibration path is clear. The probe will automatically detect the ring gauge and calculate the probe's length and circular runout. Once probe calibration is complete, the page will display the corresponding results. Rotate the axis to a suitable position and install the workpiece blank. Turn the rotary knob to ZRN mode to home the machine. In the machine interface, click Workpiece Positioning, Cuboid Measure, Probe Measuring. Use the hand wheel to move the probe to a position near the center of the workpiece surface, maintaining a 5 to 10 millimeters distance from the workpiece. Input the approximate dimensions of the blank and error within 5 millimeters is acceptable. Then input the probing depth. Probing depth refers to the distance moved downward from the Z-plane when probing the sides. Click OK to begin measurement. If the blank height is greater than 80 millimeters, it is recommended to use a tool for measurement. The probe will automatically measure the workpiece, perform calculations, and set the workpiece coordinate system. This completes the process of using a wireless probe for workpiece measurement. Before machining, copy the program file to a USB drive in advance. Insert the USB drive into the right side of the control panel. Click Program. Then click USB drive. Select the program you need to process and copy it to the local memory. Click Tool Measurement. Then click Measure Tool to obtain the tool length. It is recommended to first switch to HD Trial Cut mode to initially verify the machining program and the correctness of the configured machine parameters. Click the Start button. Operate the hand wheel, and the machine will execute a test cut according to the programmed path. After the handwheel test cut is confirmed correct, rotate the knob to auto mode and click the Start button to begin automatic machining. Machining is complete. Here is our finished workpiece. This concludes the complete machining workflow for a single workpiece. Let us know if you have any questions. See you in the next episode.